How to fix Premiere Pro saying media pending then crashes or stops rendering. 1. Disable and then enable everything via the right-click menu. Try increasing the length of the clip. 2. Clear media cache. Tab. Edit preference media cache. 3. Launch the render and replace option on Premiere context menu. 4. Create new sequence in your Premiere app. 5. Update the graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 6. Quit all the unused programs running in the background. 7. Update Adobe Premiere Pro.